Today is December 15th, 2016. I have wanted to do this whole daily Vlogmas thing, but I just can't. Right now it's exam week and I'm trying to get through that. I have 4-ish exams. I have a couple done. I have a few more to do. I really just have had no time to sit down and edit. I want to edit. It's one of my favorite things to do. I like making these little videos for you and for myself, and also for my family. These little short movies, these little clips of my life, they're my everything. I remember talking last month about how I was having a rough patch, and I'm through that now, I think, or at least I'm getting better. I've been feeling better in the heart lately, and I've been happier than before, so it makes me feel like I matter again. I may not have uploaded the past few days, but I have recorded, and the next few minutes are basically what's gone on the past few days. I hope you enjoy. Christmas is in 10 days. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. I am so super pumped you guys are coming along for the ride. I hope you enjoy the next few minutes. Peace. Wow, it smells like pine in here.
I know, isn't it beautiful?
I love it. Huge amount of trees in here.
Oh my.
I'm gonna go with the first one we picked.
We're going with the first one. Yep. The wreaths are gorgeous.
I don't know why they sent us to school today, but we're here. We're here. And we're gonna die. What are you doing over here? Are you getting work done?
Yeah, I'm getting. Oh, don't look at my marks.
Don't look at your marks. Are they bad?
No.
Are you excited for doing trace stuff on the VB exam?
Yeah, I guess so.
Do you understand it?
Yeah.
I don't. At all. I can't follow it. I was falling asleep this morning in her class.
Yeah.
Couldn't really help it. The one thing that sucks about this storm is that right now I'm stranded at the campus. And it's looking even worse out there. Oh my goodness. Wasn't prepared for this. Help? Hi.
Hey.
Thanks for leaving me stranded. Really appreciate it. Just did my first ever college exam. That was interesting. Now it's time to, excuse me, that was loud. Now it's time to go relax and study for more exams. I didn't really know where else to go, so I came to my classroom just to chill and relax and wait for others to come maybe, or, you know, kind of wait for my drive, but so far so good. I'm not gonna die. No, I'll be fine. I hope.
I mean, like, what are you supposed to be doing?